Why? 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 Why?
Hmm? Woo!
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, so you'll need a few things to follow along with this tutorial, but you'll most likely already have the majority of them already. The first thing you'll need is this NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. Mine is in the color Espresso. You'll also need a flat blending brush, an angled concealer brush, and a beauty blender, as well as concealer. Now, the concealer I'm using is the Black Radiance. It's the True Complexion HD Corrector in the color light to medium. The pencil and the concealer are budget friendly because they're both under $10 depending on where you go. I got the pencil from Kohl's and the concealer from Dollar General. So just keep that in mind when you go to buy and search for these items. Okay, so I always start at the bottom of my brow when I start to create the shape that I want. Now, I do for the most part follow the natural shape of my eyebrow, but I do like a semi thick brow, so I do make them a tiny bit thicker than my natural brow, but I try not to do too much. Now I am only focusing on my right brow throughout this video, my right, your left, just so that it could be a lot quicker and I can show you guys a little bit more detail. Once I have the overall shape, I then go ahead and start to fill in. Now, I'm not going to talk throughout the entire tutorial. I'm going to let you guys watch. I'm going to just pop in and out during key parts. So just keep watching. Okay, so once I have filled in my eyebrow, I'm going to go in with my concealer and just perfect that shape. Now, I do like my eyebrows a little light. I used to do them like extremely dark and nobody told me they looked ridiculous. So once I found this pencil and started to do my eyebrows like this, I fell in love and I haven't reverted back yet. So I absolutely love the way this pencil makes my eyebrows look. They look nice and soft and really natural. So that's the look that I try to go for. And I'm also using the angled concealer brush to shape my brows. Okay, so I will say the concealer part of doing my eyebrows takes me the longest. This is the longest part of me doing my eyebrows. And it's because I want that perfect shape. So I'll go over my eyebrows with concealer like 20 times until I feel like it's the exact shape that I want. So you'll see that here. Don't judge this little part because she's looking a little sketchy right now. But I'm perfecting her. I'm doing light strokes and I'm getting the shape that I want. So I wiped some of the concealer onto my cheek just to kind of get rid of some of the product on the brush. So once I'm done with the concealer, I go ahead and take my flat blending brush and I blend out all that concealer. I blend the bottom first and then I go to the top and just make sure that it's really blended very well and that you don't see any lines or anything like that. And that's the key to having a perfect soft brow. Okay, so once I'm done blending the concealer with the brush, I then go in with my fingers and continue to blend the concealer. And I do that because the warmth of your fingers allow the makeup to blend a little bit better. It kind of melts it a little bit more. And it kind of allows me to get closer to those fine lines that the brush is not able to really get to. So I use my fingers to kind of help me out. And once I'm done using my fingers, I go in with the Beauty Blender and I further blend. Like, blending is so important. I can't stress that enough. I do see a lot of people with, the halo brow. That is not what we want at all. We want a seamless brow. We want to look like, you woke up like this. So that's what I'm going for. That's what I'm attempting to do by blending so much, using 3 different tools essentially to blend out. And then what I like to do is just take the other end of the NYX pencil and it's just a spoolie brush. And I like to go ahead and just perfect the hairs in the front of my brow. I don't like it to be really boxy or really harsh, so I try to blend that out and fix the hairs in the front of my brow. So that's all I'm doing here. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm pretty much done with my eyebrows at this point. This is what my eyebrows look like when they're all done. They look very nice and blended. The lines are very well blended. They look very soft. I love this routine, and this is something that I do every single time I do my eyebrows. I follow this same routine every single time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos coming up from me. And I look forward to seeing you guys later. Bye.